Hello everyone, my name is Rai and today we are going to talk about all the health products that are available in the market, the misleading health claims and why you should not believe what they provide you. Don't get caught up in the latest superfood trend, as attractive packaging strategies added with persuasive advertising tactics can easily hook someone into buying a certain health product without even knowing what the product contains. Number 1. Digestive, high fiber, whole wheat and multigrain biscuits. These biscuits claim that they are a source of high fiber and are packed with goodness of wheat. They also come in variations like oats and raisins, raisin and nuts, oats and almond, etc. If you read the label, you will find that these biscuits contain wheat flour of about 35.3%, oat flakes of 21.1% and refined wheat flour of about 50%. They contain refined palm oil, sugar, liquid glucose, raising agents, maltodextrins, invert syrup, iodized salt, emulsifiers and may also contain some traces of sulfides. And the nuts in these biscuits are only 3%. Biscuits are never healthy, and if you think that munching on multigrain biscuits will make you less guilty, then you are wrong. But in reality, these snacks come with leavening agents, baking chemicals, hydrogenated fat and harmful sugars. Biscuits that claim to contain whole wheat like oats, ragi and a host of other grains have a higher load of chemical additives than the regular biscuits to make them crispier. Moreover, the amount of these multigrains is only about 3 to 15% and the rest is made with refined wheat flour. So ultimately, you are eating refined wheat flour with extra chemicals. From now on, say no to any kind of biscuits. Number 2 is skimmed or Tetra Pak milk. They claim that they have zero cholesterol and are super healthy, but in reality, milk is healthy in any form because it is a combination of protein, good carbs, good fat and micronutrients. So if you are choosing skimmed milk, low-fat milk or Tetra Pak milk, then it will do no good to you. Removing fat to make it low-fat or skimmed affects the delicate natural balance of milk that makes it less digestible. Milk fat is also the primary source for calcium and vitamin D absorption. Fat present in milk keeps the gut and liver healthy and can help to lose weight. Researches have been conducted across the globe that shows that people who drank low-fat milk were more prone to weight gain and CVD issues than those who drank normal milk. So, it's good to consume milk that contains fat. Number 3 is health drink powders. Now these powders claim that they will help your child to grow taller, stronger and sharper. They will provide their inner strength formula and are also clinically proven to help in 2 times faster growth of your child. Experts say that these drinks don't deserve the health tags and may not even be the right supplement for children. The primary ingredient of these health drink powders is malt, which is often barley or a cereal derivative. The second major ingredient is always sugar. Health experts say that these powders simply add flavor to milk and provide no extra nutrition. Constantly feeding such products to children is utterly an ill-informed decision by parents. Regular intake of these might lead to calcium loss from bones, as sugar is an inhibitor for absorption of both vitamin D and calcium. The amount of nutrients contained in these supplements are inadequate for the growth and development of children. Instead of having all these powders, you can make a super healthy homemade milkshake by adding dry dates powder, sprouted ragi malt, ragi badam malt, turmeric milk, kesar badam milk, or you can also add dry fruits powder to your milkshakes. Number 4 is packed fruit juices. They say they are packed with goodness of fruit and fiber and help in supporting immunity. If you look at the label, you will find that the fruit pulp is only 23% and the rest is water and sugar. It also includes polydextrose, acidity regulator and stabilizers. If not a fruit, then a glass of fruit juice, right? No, wrong. Fruit juices cannot replace the nutritional value of a whole fruit, even if they are enriched and fortified with 10 nutrients. Each glass of packed fruit juice contains only 3% of real fruit pulp and about 5 teaspoons of sugar with added colors, flavors, and preservatives. Do you still wish to grab a pack of fruit juice? It is always better to have a whole fruit or fresh fruit juice at home than consuming synthetic fruit juices. Baked or diet snacks like oat chips, ragi chips, quinoa puffs, or roasted poha. If you want to stick to a healthy living and lose weight, you may think that these are the healthiest version of the snacks that are available in the market. If you read the labels properly, you will find that most of these diet snacks are in fact unhealthier than a handful of fried foods. Hydrogenated oils, trans fat and margarine are used to make diet snacks crispy and crunchy. This hidden fat makes it almost equivalent to the fat in a fried chip. These snacks also contain a high amount of baking chemicals that cause calcium loss, joint pain, and weight gain. It's always better to have a handful of roasted peanuts or roasted chana. Number 6 is healthy soup powders like mixed veg soup, chicken soup, minestrone soup, or mixed corn soup. Now, if you look at the label, you will find that they contain potato starch, dried glucose syrup, dehydrated vegetables, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, thickeners, edible vegetable fat, acidity regulators, anti-caking agent, flavor enhancers, and whatnot. If you look at potato starch, you will find that it is used by the food processing industries as a general thickener, binder, texturizer, or gelling agent. Dried glucose syrup is used as a sweetener. It is a concentrated source of sugar and calories that is used to improve customer satisfaction. It may increase the risk of various health conditions like obesity, high BP, poor dental health, and heart disease. 1 tablespoon, that is 15 ml, is loaded with 62 calories and 17 gram carbohydrates, which is nearly 4 times more than the amount found in table sugar. Dehydrated vegetables. The vitamin A in these vegetables are retained, but vitamin B, C, and other minerals are lost. Eating a dehydrated vegetable soup is better than you eat nothing at all. Hydrolyzed vegetable proteins. They are used to enhance flavor. Besides headache, they may also cause rapid heart rate, nausea, chest pain. Even though they contain 10 to 20% of monosodium glutamate, which is also known as Ajinomoto, but this is not mentioned in the ingredient label. So, don't you think we should consume fresh homemade vegetable soup rather than packed soups? Number 7 is protein bars. They claim that they are super healthy and you can have it at any time. It's a best snack for pre or a post workout. If you look at the label, you will find that they contain only 12 to 20% of protein, and the rest is basically sugar. Some protein bars have more than 30 grams of sugar and more calories than a donut. Protein bars contain high amount of added sugars and use unhealthy sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup, which adds extra fructose to your diet and can increase the risk of fatty liver, obesity, and diabetes. Being high in protein doesn't mean that they are healthy. Make sure to check the nutritional information. You can try making homemade protein bars by mixing minimum ingredients like dates and dry fruits in a blender. Give it desired shape and refrigerate for 1 hour. After that, it is ready to eat. Breakfast cereals. Cereals like cornflakes, muesli, and chocos claim that it is the best way to start the day. It's the nation's breakfast. But if you look at the label, you will find that cereal grains like semolina and other whole grains are only 27.4%, and the rest is sugar, iodized salt, barley malt extract, glucose syrup, stabilizers, and emulsifiers. Well, there is no harm if you kickstart your day with these breakfast cereals because the packages itself mention that it is rich in iron, calcium, fiber, and loads of other nutrients. But in reality, these cereals are not as healthy as they claim to be. Breakfast cereals are loaded with sugar and sodium that makes you hungry within the next 2 hours of eating them, causing mild hunger pangs and irritability. The solution to this is eat traditional breakfast dishes like idli, chilla, poha, paratha, dhokla, omelette, etc. that are fresher, healthier and wholesome, containing gut-friendly and digestible nutrients. Your choice is yours to make. We are here to make you aware about the misleading half-truths that convince people that these toxic products are actually good for them. Do share this video with your loved ones, make them aware, save their lives, and subscribe our channel to know the health mantra of life.